Okay, so we're continuing with financial maths and we'll look at some of the questions on skill sheet 1. Most of these questions are all about finding simple interest. And as we know, the simple interest, SI, simple interest equals P for principal times R for the rate of interest times T for time in years. So if we look at question 2A from the worksheet, then we have P, the principal, equals $5,000. R, the rate of interest, is 9%, and T for time is 4 years. So we'll simply calculate the simple interest as being 5,000 times 9 times 4, all divided by 100, and that equals $1,800. And that's the sort of amount of working out it should show what information you have been given and write it into or substitute into the formula. Now, question 3 and beyond, we have a problem in that T is no longer in years. It's often in months. So if we look at 3A, we've got the principal equals 50,000. We have the rate of interest equals 6%, and we have T equals 6 months. Now, there's a number of ways we can convert this, but we can obviously divide by 12. 6 divided by 12, now it's in years. And that could be written as a half, could also be written as 0.5. They are all exactly the same as each other. Some people are more comfortable with decimals or simplest fractions. Now the substitution, there's a number of ways we go about this, but I would just basically do it exactly the same as question 2. 50,000 is the principal P times 6% for the interest, this one here, times, now I'm going to write this as a fraction, 6 times 6 over 12. So I'm going to enclose it all in a bracket. So if you write your T as a fraction, all as part of the numerator, then you must enclose it into a bracket before when you put it into your calculator. Now that will come out as $1,500. Okay. Right. Now, question 5 has the same issues as question 3, except that the time is always 1 month. So, for example, 5A, we have P equals $1,500. R, in this case, is 15%, and T, for every case, is 1/12. So the simple interest equals 1,500 times 15 times 1/12. There again, there's a couple of ways you can handle that. This is just one. If you're more comfortable, just say, for example, dividing by 12 on the bottom, that's fine too. Okay, and that equals $18.75. Okay, now the amount of working out that I'm showing here on this screen is what I would expect to see in your workbooks. Thank you.